Hi everyone. Today we are actually going to look into the essential things that you require post the pregnancy, be it a vaginal birth or be it a C-section. There are 5 important things that you need to buy before your due date. The first thing is basically your heavy duty sanitary pads, because you need a lot of them post the pregnancy, because you're going to bleed at least for the next 2 to 3 weeks, depends from one woman to another woman, but you need to have them regularly, and you need to keep changing them every 3 hours in order to avoid any sort of infections too, as I had already told you in the previous video. And apart from this, you would also require a mesh underpants. This is going to be something to keep your pads in place, at the same time not irritate your skin as well. So these are going to make it more comfortable. You may also go in for the sanitary pads if you are still okay with that, or else you may go for the period panties that are also available nowadays. That would also be okay. If you are comfortable with that, you may try that as well. But third important thing is definitely a must. That's your Padsicle. Most of us are unaware about this. This is something like your sanitary pads, but it will act as a ice pack as well. So at that point of time, when you have actually given birth, you would have a lot of amount of pain. So this pain would not just stop after giving birth. I understand that I'm actually giving you the actual scenario and you might even freak out, but this is the actual fact, wherein the pain would be to an extent for the next 2 to 3 weeks as well, because of the cut, tear, or because of the C-section or any of these things, until and unless it is completely healed and you're also having your normal bleeding as well apart from that. So all of these can actually make sure that there is a little amount of pain. So to soothe this and to reduce the pain and the inflammations, this Padsicle could make a very big difference. So do make sure that you have such things before you go for the delivery itself. Means to say, keep them handy, so that after your delivery is done, you may start using this. The fourth most important thing that you require is a Sitz bath. So if at all you have a bathtub facility at home, you may not need this. But this Sitz bath actually makes your job much more easy, saves your water also and your time, because you just need to keep it on your western toilet, and you may add a good amount of hot or lukewarm water and sit down and relax, so that this also act as a pain reliever. So you will feel a little soothing, a little relaxed. You can do this as many times as you wish to. Need not rush to the washroom, fill in the entire bathtub all the time, and kind of waste the water also. You may not do that. Maybe the Sitz bath makes the work very quick, fast, easier as well. The fifth and the last most important thing post pregnancy is an inflatable donut cushion. So this is something that you definitely require, because after giving birth, vaginal or a C-section, sitting down on even the cushion would actually make you feel like you're sitting on a thorn. So this inflatable donut cushion can actually make you feel comfortable while you are sitting. So make sure you buy them. So I hope my video was informative. I would be attaching all the links at the description. So do check out if you are in need and you are a mother, a new mother too. So take care. Until then, bye from me.